Right. Are these the dog days of summer? I mean, they feel like it.
Look at Baron is thinking.
This dog's in a cool room, but you know, Baron is his name?
Baron, yeah.
This is Dr. Kathy Michener. We're talking about treating pain in animals using this device. It's an electromagnetic device, and this helps with arthritis and other joint pain, I guess?
It sure does. It's called pulse signal electromagnetic therapy.
Okay.
And basically what the device does is it generates an electromagnetic field that causes a decrease in inflammation, increase in blood flow, increase in energy, and decrease in pain. And it's an exciting device. It's been approved for use in people, but it can be used in the dog as well. And we have devices now that are approved for use in the dog. And this is an at-home treatment.
So do you put it like around their neck?
Anywhere there's pain. So let's just say Baron had pain in his neck. Now we wouldn't do it with his collar on because it's electromagnetic and we wouldn't want to affect that. You take it around the area that is of concern and you press this little button, and you probably can't see the flashing lights, and then you leave it in place for 15 minutes.
That's it.
It's pain-free. It doesn't make a sound, so they can't hear anything, and they're very comfortable. And what this does is it enhances any of the other pain treatments that you're doing. I'm an acupuncturist, so we like to send these home with our acupuncture patients so they get better during the week.
So even if it doesn't remove the need for any, like say, arthritis medication or anything like that.
Well, it should.
Or does it?
It should. Ultimately, the whole point of this is we don't want our dogs on large amounts of medication because medication has side effects.
Sure does.
And so we want to use therapies that are healthy and safe that will cause the same effect and sometimes even a better effect. And this particular product will actually enhance cartilage and blood vessel formation. So you get enhancements that you don't get with the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs.
So yeah, and I think it could actually regrow lost bone and joint tissue?
Especially cartilage, yes.
Really?
Cartilage is a huge thing that dogs and people lose when they develop arthritis. And you can see, look how comfortable he is. He's not having any trouble with it. Actually, it's calming him down. He was a little nervous at first with the TV cameras.
He was a little nervous, So if they have it, say, I know a lot of older dogs particularly, and certain kinds of dogs get the arthritis pain in their backs. How do you do that? Does it go around like a belt?
What you do is you take it off here, and we're going to, let's just say he had thoracolumbar disease. We just hold it right there.
Oh, you just hold it
Hold it right there. If it's a shoulder, we would hold it around the shoulder. 15 minutes twice a day.
Amazing.
Hold it around the other shoulder, but you have to sit with them now, which is good for you because then you get to spend time with them. Hips, it works beautifully for hips. You can't, you can't see very well, but you just slide it around their hip. Lower back, lumbosacral is a tremendous area of concern. So it's a very easy, simple, pain-free, and low side effect.
So what do you call this again?
It's called an Assisi loop.
An Assisi loop.
Pulse signal electromagnetic therapy. So it's very, very affordable and much better than long-term use of some of the medications.
Yeah, because you don't have to use it forever. Ideally, it will make things grow back.
Correct.
That's amazing. I've never heard of this for humans, much less dogs.
You know, it's one of those products that you don't see it used a lot because it's an alternative therapy. And it's not, you know, a lot of doctors aren't really on the cutting edge with the alternatives as opposed to the mainstream. It's so much easier. Absolutely, absolutely. We've dispensed probably a dozen of them in town so far. We've just had it a couple of months. And the response has been very, very exceptional.
We need to tell people how to get in touch with you. Tell me the name of your clinic.
I'm at Angel Care Cancer Clinic for Animals, and we call our pain management center Pins and Needles Acupuncture Center for Animals, and that phone number is 385-9172. 385-9172. 385-9172. And it's Dr. Kathy Michener, and wow, what a breakthrough. Very fun.
I may have to get one of those for my husband. He's got that arthritis in the neck.
He'll have to talk to his doctor. Thanks, Karen. He's real happy now.
Thank you so much. Good dog. We'll be right back after this.